Good morning, dear students. Today, we are going to study about Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. The English chemist John Dalton suggested that all matter is made up of atoms, which were indivisible and indestructible. He also stated that all the atoms of an element were exactly the same, but the atoms of different elements differ in size and mass. Chemical reactions, according to the Dalton's atomic theory, involves a rearrangement of atoms to form products. According to the postulates proposed by Dalton, the atomic structure comprises of atoms, the smallest particle responsible for the chemical reactions to occur. The following are postulates of his theory. Every matter is made up of an atoms, and atoms are indivisible. Specific elements have only one type of atoms in them. Each atom has its own constant mass that varies from element to element. Atoms undergo rearrangement during a chemical reaction. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. Dalton's atomic theory successfully explained the law of chemical reactions, namely the law of conservation of mass, law of constant properties, law of multiple proportions, and law of reciprocal proportions. Demerits of Dalton's atomic theory. The theory was unable to explain the existence of an isotopes. Nothing about the structure of an atom was appropriately is explained. Later, the scientists discovered particles inside the atom that proved the atoms are divisible. The discovery of particles inside the atoms lead to a better understanding of chemical species. These particles inside the atoms are called subatomic particles.